Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2020 350 SLX. It's a brand new model for Sea Ray. It's absolutely beautiful. You can tell by the lines. You see the profile lines that are absolutely gorgeous. You've got the big hard top with a sunroof and a shore shade that comes out the back. And it's powered by the twin Mercury Verado 350s. Ton of horsepower for this boat. Very fast. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 350 SLX. Let's start at the back of the boat. They've come up with a brand new lounger in the back. It's probably the most comfortable lounger on the back of a boat that I've seen. It's got a really nice high back, plenty of support, and it's got a slide out ottoman. So when you don't want it, it slides back in, and when you want to relax and put your feet up, you've got a slide out ottoman. I think it's really, really cool. You've got the sea deck throughout the entire boat, the gray sea deck on it. And as we move in, got a really nice L-shaped seating that goes all the way around, very large, very comfortable. On the opposing side, we've got a little kitchen area. You've got an electric grill. You got a refrigerator, freezer combo, sink in here, trash. Opposing seating on this side, so you've got basically almost a 360 all the way around in the seating. Very nice. As we move to this area here, we've got two identical. You got a captain seat and another one on this side. So you got four adults, extremely comfortable on these seats. Got the head, and not. I'm sorry. You got the. This is brand new for this particular boat. It's got a very lounge. It's got a nice lounging setup in there. It's got a TV, so if you want to get out of the sun, it's very, very comfortable. It turns into a complete lie-down area. And on this side, you've got the beautiful helm area, nice and clean, twin Simrad touch screens, the large ones as well. Very, very nice digital throttle and shift, and it also has the joystick. Boat can go sideways. I can put it any slip, anywhere, anytime, any condition. Also has skyhook, locks me in if I want to see the sunset. I pointed at the sunset, I hit the skyhook, it locks you in. Go sit up in the bow, have a glass of wine. It's beautiful. Also has autopilot. When you're going in the direction, you just hit the button. It takes you there. You don't have to drive the boat. It's great. Gets you there faster as well. As we move to the head area, so you've got a nice large head area as well. Very comfortable. Back you flush in there, into the bow. You've got two tea tables. You have filler cushions that make lounges all the way across here, and then you got two legs that come up, so you can have two table. You can have two basically table height tables here. Very, very comfortable. Very, very cool. Control for the stereo. Plenty of drink holders on both sides. Handrails. Just a phenomenal boat, and it's real fast as well. So if you'd like to see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.